Raycast AI review. Is this virtual assistant worth it? So Raycast integrates AI-powered features into the Raycast Productivity Launcher, supercharging macOS workflows with AI chat, AI commands, a floating AI window, and customizable extensions for seamless task execution. So what are its pros? So the pros of Raycast AI is it has seamless system integration. It offers multi-modal support and flexibility. It has a custom AI commands and extensions. It offers productivity powerhouse, a cloud sync and cross-device community. It has a high praise from users as well. They also have cost-effective AI access, which means the Pro plan has an AI is often cheaper than a standalone ChatGPT Plus. Although it comes with some cons to consider. There are some context limitations. The AI can be unstable. They have a learning curve and setup time, and the platform is limited to Mac only. So overall, it is a powerful virtual assistant for Mac users, especially developers, writers, and productivity-focused professionals.